Today I'm in Clarksville, Maryland, and the house you see behind me, the homeowner qualified for $10,000 in incentives for insulation through the BGE Home Performance with Energy Star program. They had an energy audit done, and this is kind of the other side of the story. They needed a lot of work. The house has a lot of air leaks. It was very drafty, uncomfortable. The insulation wasn't really in good shape. Hence the reason why they qualified for such a large amount. So I just wanted to let you know that's a program that is available to you as a BGE customer. And not every scenario is like that. I mean, not every rebate maxes out at 10,000, but it can be substantial and it can contribute a lot towards, making those changes and making those improvements. And it might be worth it. So check it out, get a home energy audit. The reason these comfort and efficiency problems go unsolved for so long is because they're hiding in parts of your home that most people avoid. The attic, the crawl space, even basements. But those areas are exactly where I go during your inspection. So you schedule your energy audit, I come out, I get into the places that nobody else wants to go. I uncover what's really going on. Airflow, drafts, windows, gaps, missing insulation. And I'm going to show you exactly what needs to be done. So here's the process. Step 1, schedule your energy audit online. Step 2, let's meet. I'll complete the inspection and I'll build out your custom plan. Step 3, you decide what you want to move forward with. Step 4, we measure the results and you feel real improvement. So, if you want a fix that actually works and doesn't break the bank, go to my website, homeairleakagetest.com, look for the Book Audit Now button, sign up for the first available date that works for you, and I'll do the dirty work and show you exactly what is really happening inside of your house.